think if you would ask most people what would be more likely in Louisville, an earthquake or a wildfire, most people would have said an earthquake. So on December 30th, right combination of dry weather, high winds, 110, 120 miles an hour. I don't know that they've announced yet really what the cause was of the fire. It's still under investigation by the sheriff's office, but that absolutely heavily impacted us. We're not a very big community. We're about 24,000 population, but between us, our neighboring community, which is the town of Superior, and a little bit of unincorporated Boulder County, we lost 1,087 homes. So a significant impact on a community this size. The utility products that have been the most beneficial to us, of course, have been the video cameras. They've kept our officers safe, they've kept our officers out of trouble, and they help capture the heroic efforts of our officers as they went from door to door and did our community evacuation. We're also happy to report that we didn't have a single loss of life or an injury in Louisville on that day. We know it's going to be a long recovery period, but clearly when we sit down with our fire department partners and public works and city managers and others that may join in with us, we got to figure out what's next. So what we're going to do in Louisville is try to figure out what we could do better the next time. We'll acknowledge what we could have done better this time, knowing that we had no notice, we had no idea it was coming, never seen this before, but there are clearly lessons learned from this, and we have to make sure that we have our law enforcement and fire department partners with us, and it's kind of what we can count on each other for.